If your fuel door is not opening when you pull the fuel door lever, it's likely the spring that's gone bad. I'll show you an example real quick. And pull the lever. It looks like it's trying to open. Not sure if you can see it moving, but it is not allowing me to open it. I'll show you how I go about doing it, and then I'm going to replace the spring. Until you can switch out the spring, this is how I've been getting in. Just had a gift card, get it pressed in here, then pull. Now it stays open. It's this spring right here is broken, so I'm going to replace that real quick. Alright, to remove it, just put a screwdriver down up here from the top, and as you pry, kind of close it and it'll pop off. So go, came right off, and be replacing it with this one. Hopefully this is the right part. Looks similar. Alright, that's it. So it was kind of a pain to get it clipped in right here. So what I ended up having to do is get this part put in first, and then it gives you space as you close the door. It's kind of hard to tell, but as you close the door, it'll give you space to push it in there. Should be good to go. Let's give it a test. Pull the lever, and she's open. Nice, easy fix.